Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to another wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Binance.com. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, hover your cursor over the wallet icon at top right corner and a drop-down menu will open up. Inside this menu, click on Overview at the top and this web page will load up. Here, select the Withdraw feature from the top and this withdrawal page will be displayed. Now, you will need two things to transfer the crypto. First is the wallet address and the same network as the receiver. Once you have got both of them, paste the address first by pressing Ctrl+V keys on your keyboard. After that, make sure that the correct network is selected from this menu, and then enter the amount you would like to transfer. Once done, click on the withdraw button and you are good to go. So that's basically how you can transfer crypto from Binance to another wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.